let's see what the JTCAN 12-inch triangle block can do on the upper section of this quarter panel, which is curved in 2 directions. So here we go. There you go, look at that contact. You're making almost full contact, sanding the long way, exposing any low areas that are there. This is 320 dry. You could use any grit you want on here. And when you make that full contact, you're gonna get done faster. You're gonna maintain those curves that you're looking for. You're not shaving the curve away, you're just evening it out. Let's see, we'll sand a little bit more. And you can see that nice contact patch. Now, if you like sanding the old pattern 45s, you can do that as well. The beauty of that is the block will roll itself over the curve. You don't have to rock your wrist. So you're still gonna make that nice contact, but it's really much faster to just go down the panel, which is a new way of sanding, quicker and easier. Get yours today at jtcanindustries.com. It's actually jtcaninc.com. Whoops, I always make some kind of mistake.